Hunds rule. Hunds rules are rules used to determine term symbol that corresponds to ground state of the multi-electron atom. In atoms where there is only one valence electron, state of the atom is determined by the state of that electron. But in the case of atoms with more than one valence electrons, the state of the atom will be determined by all the valence electrons, and state is given by of an atom is given by its term symbol, that is 2s plus 1 Lj. This is the term symbol. Here 2s plus 1 is the multiplicity of the atom, in which S is the total spin quantum number of the atom. It is obtained by contribution of all the electrons. And here J is the total angular momentum quantum number of atom. It is also obtained from all the valence electrons. And L is the angular momentum quantum number. These three quantities determine the state of the atom. This is called term symbol of the atom. And the term symbol of ground state, its S, L and J values are determined by this Hund's rule. There are three rules in this, and the first one is maximum value of total spin S allowed by exclusion principle. How to determine this multiplicity or 2s plus 1 is this S value is given by first rule. It means for a given electronic configuration, the term symbol with maximum multiplicity has lowest energy. Ground state is determined by the state where this multiplicity is highest. 2s plus 1 is highest means S as highest value for all electrons in atom. Term with the lowest energy is term with maximum multiplicity or S. For example, we can explain this using an example. P state can accommodate 6 electrons. If atom has 4 electrons in this state, the electron will be filled without pairing first. And since there is 4 electron, we will fill first orbital or first state px, py, pz. There are 3 states. First state will be paired, then this px spins quantum number will become 0, and the other two will result in S is equal to 1. This is the type of filling in the atom's orbitals. Thus, in this case, spin quantum number S is maximum in this type of filling. Thus, multiplicity will be 2s plus 1, that is equal to 2 into 1 plus 1, that is equal to 3. This is the state where having lowest energy. Next rule for the ground state term symbol is among the states with a given value of S, lowest energy level corresponds to largest value of L. In the by this rule, we can determine L value for the ground state. If there are 3 or 4 term symbols given and we are asked to determine which level is having lowest energy, when we then first we can check value of multiplicity or S value. S value with maximum highest value will give the ground state. Then we can check values of L in the symbol, and the level with the largest value of L gives lowest energy, that is ground state. Next, there is three rules in Hunds rule. For a subshell that is less than half filled, lowest energy state corresponds to J equal to L minus S, and for subshell with more than half filled, J equal to L plus S corresponds to lowest energy state. Therefore, J value for a ground state can be determined using this third rule. Here, if the subshells are less than half filled, J is equal to L minus S corresponds to lowest energy, and if the subshell is more than half filled, J equal to L plus S gives the ground state.